Hey guys, if you are using SSL in Python for a long time, you know that in case when we need to use self-signed certificate, only two things that we have to do is to set insecure to true and then to provide path to self-signed the certificate authority certificate. But with new versions of this library we cannot do something like that. If I run this code, you see what I received. Must configure SSL context before using TLS insecure set. For that reason, this line is not necessary. I'm going to create context with SSL, create unverified context. Now, context dot load verify location, and now provide optional argument CA file and path to your certificate. And now I just have to provide this context to my object. And keep in mind that this must be done before you call TLS insecure set to true. Now I'm going to save this code and I'm going to run it. Alright, if this helps, please like, subscribe and see you around.